Hello everyone, welcome to GB Reddy's Automation World. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for ongoing core Java interview questions and answer series. Right, so far we have covered different topics: data types, arrays, operators, condition, collections, constructor, variables, static. Right, anyone haven't watched them yet, make sure to watch them out. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Right, today's class quickly we will jump into final. Right, what are the different questions we can expect on final keyword? Right, what is final keyword? Final keyword is used to declare constants. We can declare final variable at a constant level, that is variable level, method level, classes. Right, final keyword we can declare at three places: variable level, final level, classes. Right, can we declare final? Can we declare variable as a final? What does it mean? Right, a variable can be declared as a final. If we declare, what will happen? Final variable we cannot change, we cannot reassign. That means suppose a final int x equal 10, x equal 20, we will get a compilation error. We cannot modify it. Right, one more thing, final variables must be initialized in the constructor. If we don't initialize in the constructor, we have to initialize at the time of creation or in the constructor. If we don't initialize in these two places, we will get a compilation error. That is also we have to remember. What happens when a method is declared as a final? Right, what will happen if we declare method as a final? We cannot override in the child class. Suppose in the parent and child, parent class is a final method. If you want to restrict, sometimes right, whatever parent class provided functionality, we have to restrict child class should use. Right, we should not allow child classes to modify the behavior of the parent class provided. In those classes, right, what we will do, we can give the final so that child class cannot be overridden. Right, here parent class final method we cannot override. If we try to override, what will compilation error we will get? Can a final class can be extended? Right, we cannot. Right, no. If we declare final class, what will happen? Subclass, we cannot subclass it. You want to restrict sometimes you want to restrict the class, no one should extend it. Then we will add a final before the class, so no class can be allowed to extend. If they try to extend, what will happen? Compilation error will get. Can a final method be overloaded? Yes, final methods can be overloaded. Final methods can be overloaded. That's not an issue. Can a constructor be final? No. Constructor cannot be declared as final because constructors are meant for not inherited. So final modifier has no purpose in this context. Right, compilation error we will get. Can a final variable be modified inside a method? No. Nowhere we cannot modify final variable. See, suppose if we have one trick is there, final string buffer. If we have speed at append allowed, modifying the object, not the reference itself. We are modifying the object here, so it will allow. Right, sometimes interview may ask like this: if they will create a string buffer or string builder final sb.append, what will happen? Right, it is modifying the object, not the reference itself. What is a blank final variable in Java? What is a blank final variable in Java? Blank final variable means what? We have created final int x. We did not assign any value to it. Right. Then we must initialize value in the constructor. Otherwise, we will get a compilation error. Either at the time of declaration we have to assign value, or inside a constructor must be initialized. Otherwise, we will get compilation issue. What is the difference between final, finally, finalize? Right. This is a general question we can expect. Final we can use at variable level, method level, right, class level. If we use at variable level, we cannot change the value. If you use at method level, we cannot override in the subclass. If we use at class level, we cannot subclass it. Right. Finalize, it is a block in the exception handling. It is a block in the exception handling, try catch finally. Right. If you want to execute some piece of code, always whether exception is occurred or not, I want to execute some piece of code, we will use finally block. Finalize. What is finalize? This method is called by garbage collector before object removed from the memory. Right. Whenever object trying to remove, before removing the objects from the memory, it will call finalize method will be called by garbage collector. Right, fine. Can we declare final variable without assigning a value? Can we declare final variable without assigning a value? Yes, but it must be initialized before constructor completes execution. That we can declare it, but in constructor must be initialized. Can we modify a final static variable? No. Final static variables are constants, cannot be modified after initialization. We get compilation. How does final affect performance in Java? Final methods allow the compiler to apply optimization like inlining, which can improve performance. Final variables help the JVM to treat them as constant, reducing the memory overhead. Final class prevent the inheritance, which can sometimes improve security and maintainability. By using final anyway, we will get we will right, improve the memory and performance and maintenance also, security also we can improve. And these are the some of the questions we can expect on the final keyword. Thanks for watching. If you like my way of teaching and content, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and comment in the comment section if you have any queries or suggestions. Right, please feel free to share this to your friends. Right, thanks for watching.